Alright, so the front end, as you can see, camber's in. And camber's in way too far. Basically, it's eating the tire on the side. So I decided I was going to go ahead and get that started first before I do anything else, because I have many different things I do to this car. But I'm going to do this first. So I got some lower bushings, and then I got some tie rod ends, some new ones, but I needed the whole top end, so upper control arms. So I bought these, and then when I was thinking about it, I was like, God, I probably need to get a camber kit for it too. So I bought these. So we're gonna have an extra set, but we're gonna swap these guys over to here. We may just sell these without the top end, but not a big deal. We may hold on to them, I don't know. I'm going to go ahead and get those swapped over, these guys ready to be installed, and then we're going to get ready to take apart that whole front end. Alright, so we got everything put back together. The camber kit is in, tie rod ends, new lower ball joint. So I got this one side done. It took for freaking ever. I just got to tighten this up, get the brakes back on. So to do these, how I do it to make sure you don't screw it up is you're going to have to hold it here and then loosen this bolt up. Make sure that this rod doesn't spin. Once this is loosened up, you want to hold it back here and then basically count the revolutions. So as you spin it, that's one revolution, 2, and you do that until it comes off, and then you do reverse order to get it back on, and then you tighten everything back up. And that's not saying it's going to be perfect, but it's going to be good enough to drive to get an alignment done and all that stuff. So especially with the camber kit on there, once I get the camber done, which is going to take a little while, I got to get everything else put back on, and then I will adjust the camber on both sides once that's done, and then we'll take it to go get an alignment and then continually work on this car. Alright, so we got this side done, the other side not so much. I got to do the other side, but I got the gas leak fixed. That's good, and she runs, so she's drivable, which is good. Alright, well, other than that, you guys take it easy. Have a good one. Peace.